Direct replacement. This headlight bucket kit matches the original part and hardware required to replace the bucket on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. This kit is a reliable replacement for an original bucket and hardware that are damaged or missing. Durable construction. This kit is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Material. Plastic. This headlight bucket kit is designed to match the original parts required to replace the headlight bucket on specified vehicles. Made of quality components, this kit is engineered for reliable performance and durability. Top reviews from the United States. Good ohm replacement. Bought 2 of these to replace the rusted buckets in my 2000 GMC Safari. Great direct ohm replacement. Prices seems high for what it is, but it's comparable to other stores.